that whole noodle. Here, can I have that, please?
No. No.
What? You won't give it to me? You won't share that noodle with me? I feel sad now. Can you please have that? Can you have the noodle? Here, just give me the noodle. Oh, all right, you little stinky. You little stinky. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Look at that. Yeah, okay. He's such a good boy. Here, seriously, can I please have this noodle? It's too much for you. You should just what? You, you're so selfish. You little rat. Can I touch your nose? Just boop. Come here. You touch your nose. See, he doesn't care. He just wants the noodle. I feel really bad now because it's basically like I'm letting a child eat a whole bowl of cookies. It's like, of course, you're going to eat the cookies, but you shouldn't eat the cookies. All right, can I really seriously? Can I please have this noodle? Just give me the noodle. Give it to me. Bow bow. Bow bow. Just please, just give me that noodle. Give me the noodle. What are you doing? Here, just let me have that noodle. Come on. Look. I gave you the noodle in the first place. Oh,